All right, so today,
What are we supersizing today?
Well, we're actually going to start by supersizing one of my favorite desserts of all time.
Which is?
It's a giant jelly donut.
Oh!
Oh, yeah. So we're going to start by making a sour cream cake batter, pretty much.
Okay.
Because my favorite donut is like a sour cream donut, because it's, you know, nice and moist and kind of tangy.
And tangy, right.
Yeah. So in this bowl, I just added 1 cup of sour cream. To that, we're going to add in our sugar. Rach, do you want to get started with the mixing? Yeah.
Sure.
A cup of oil. Goes right into there, and 2 eggs. I'm going to add in a little bit of buttermilk just to make it a little tangier, a little bit more moist.
Oh, wow, really bump up that tang factor.
Yep. And a little bit of vanilla goes in too. And then to this, I added 2 cups of self-rising flour. So instead of getting out, you know, your little measuring spoons for your
Which
baking
I don't
soda,
have,
and your, yeah, some people don't have those. So we just use some self-rising flour, so you don't have to do all of that. And a little bit of salt goes in too.
Yeah, we love salt.
Yeah, so over here I have a bundt pan. I just floured and, or I buttered it and then put some flour in there too so it's nice and non-stick. So we're gonna put half the batter in.
Oh,
there you go. There, I caught you just in time. There we go, because we're gonna fill it with our jelly.
Oh, duh.
Now, if you didn't want to have a jelly donut, obviously you could just skip this part. But now we're gonna take our jam. I'll give you a spoon too.
But then it wouldn't be called a supersized jelly donut.
Yes, it would just be a big donut. Now we're just gonna top the rest of our batter on top of there.
That's crazy.
Look at that, isn't that fun?
That's
so then
crazy.
you pop this into the oven, 350 for about 40 minutes.
Ish.
You let it cool.
Yep.
Once it's nice and cool, you're gonna flip it out of the rack, or flip it out of the pan onto a rack. So hopefully that comes out.
Here.
Oh, there it goes, all right. But obviously it's not a donut until you have it glazed, right? So I just have some powdered sugar with a little bit of milk.
And a little bit of
red
color?
Dye, yeah, just a tiny bit because you want to keep it pink. It looks good. So then we just glaze the top of it. Look at that.
That's crazy.
And then I have some sprinkles over there too because
that is crazy.
It's not a big donut until there's a bunch of sprinkles on it.
Crazy.
Ah!